Okay, so I got a few visuals right here. I want them to be white, you know, this right here, I want it to be white. So how do I do it? I mean, whoa, what is happening? I mean like right here, like the black part, I want it to be white. So how do I do that? Okay, first up, I just drag it in here. I use this magic wand tool to kind of just delete the white that I don't want. Like the, let's say for example, if you save it as JPEG, there's gonna be not a transparent background, right? So you want to make it transparent first. And don't worry about it being like a little at the edge white, it's fine. Because what you wanna do to make it white right now is inner glow. There, you're done. So what is inner glow actually? What is inner glow? So if I downsize it, that is the inner glow. It's glowing inside, right? Just like a shadow. It glows outside, or like a outer glow. It is glowing outside, right? So if I make it the size, yep. You can see it being at the back. Opacity, yep. You can see it at the back, right? That is the outer glow. Now the inner glow is inside. So in theory, you can change the color. Oh wait, hold on. I want the size to be very big so that it fills everything. And then, in theory, I can just change the color to whatever I want. Yeah, that is how you make visuals have color or something like that. Okay, and now I got another one right here. This is already transparent, I think. Or maybe it's scamming me. I'm not sure. But let me just make sure and just kinda select and delete the background. Okay, now same thing. Go over here, double click it, inner glow, bada bing, there you go. So now when it's not enough, it will have like something like this. So you gotta increase some of the things, like choke. My choke is not up, so that's the reason that it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So yeah, now it's white, and I feel like this one got a little black in it. So I gotta bring up the choke too on this one. There you go. Maybe. Okay. Now it's white, or I can, in theory, make it any other color. And this one, just to make sure if it's a PNG, let me just put it in. Ah, yeah, it's a PNG. Okay. So the choke, the noise, don't touch the noise. If you touch the noise, it's gonna look like this. This is a very cool visual if you want to, but you know, just a heads up. Don't make noise if you don't want it to have like little bits like it looks really coarse. I don't like seeing this right now. It's like ew. Anyways, and then I got the last one right here from vector stock. Let me just select and delete everything. How about you use this, because sometimes you can see like the little bits of pieces, right? So what you want to do is just this and then delete there. Okay, and then we're gonna do this, hopefully. Yep. Okay, I feel like, right, it selected the border a little bit, so I think I need to do this. I need to do this, and then it's selecting inside. If I just delete, the middle gets deleted, right? So what I want to do is I want to Control Shift I to invert it outside to delete. There. Now it's clear, and this is already white, but there are a little bit borders of like black. So I need to inner glow it. No, not inner shell, inner glow there. Yeah, you can see the difference, right? Yeah, it became somewhat bolder or wider like that. Yep. So that's about it. What do you mean?